Hello and welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're going to be checking out a brand new 2026 Toyota Tundra SR5. Starting off at the front here, we've got our updated black grille as well as our LED headlights. Our fog lights mounted into the lower valence of the front bumper as well as the Tundra embossment and our block heater. Coming off to the side here, we've got our 18-inch TRD off-road alloy wheels, our Tundra badging on both sides, as well as our SR5 badging on both sides. This has the additional added feature of a tunnel cover, which comes at an additional charge. Got a soft open truck bed, so it won't come crashing down on you if you just let it go. Tundra embossed there on the top of the truck bed. We've got our 4x4 badging down there, as well as our trailer hitch controls, lights in the rear bumper, and our trailer hitch, as well as our spare mounted underneath. There is that tunnel cover. And this is the magnetic gray metallic finish. And under the hood of this specific Tundra, we get a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 I-Force engine, producing 389 horsepower and 479 feet-pound of torque, delivered by a 10-speed automatic transmission, and available 4x2 or 4x4 drive. And on the interior, we get durable and cozy cloth seating, plenty of storage in all of our door pockets. Got all of our window controls here, the child locks. Got our rear bed lighting, automatic lighting, auto off function, heated steering wheel and odometer settings. We've also got those heat all-weather mats for those pesky Albertan winters. And there's that durable two-tone cloth seating with an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat. We've got our push-button start here. All of our audio controls on this side and driving assists on this side. We also get this 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with a backup camera, of course. We've got heated seats for both of the front occupants, as well as a USB charging port and our heated mirror button. Got Tundra embossed there on the dash. Plenty of storage there, as well as our traction control and electronic e-brake, as well as all of our different drive modes here. Then up here, we've got our rear window controls as well as our SOS and cabin lighting buttons. Inside of the center console, we've got a USB and a USB-C charging port. Coming along to the back here, we've got the rear seats folded up to show you just how much cargo space you get underneath the seats as well. We've got another USB and USB-C charging port there for the rear occupants, as well as more storage and cup holders in the door pockets. Thank you for checking out the 2026 Toyota Tundra SR5. As always, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.